Hello everyone, I'm Saksham Sharma, founder of CareerKunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, we are daily updating the students about TCS Ignite and smart hiring results and the post-offer formalities. So in this video, we will be answering the queries that we have received from the viewers in the last video that we uploaded yesterday. If you have any more queries, you can let us know in the comment section. We'll make another video to answer them. Before we move on to the comment section, just wanted to show you one thing that I am organizing a free 3 days LinkedIn mastery workshop in which I will be guiding you how you can use LinkedIn for your professional career, and that would include profile optimization, personal branding, and job search and networking tricks. Okay, and this is absolutely free workshop that I'm doing from tomorrow, 4th, 5th, and 6th July in the evening, 8 to 9:30 p.m. So do take advantage of that. You can find the link to register for this workshop in the description box. Okay, so with that, let's move on to the comments part. Uh, uh, all right, so starting with the first one. So I have received offers from both TCS graduate trainee role with a package of 1.9 LPA and Infosys system associate role with a package of 2.2 LPA. I'm a bit confused about which one to choose in terms of long-term growth and learning opportunities. Could you please guide me which option is better? Okay, so that is quite confusing situation which I can understand. See, I would recommend that you can go to Infosys. I tell you the reason, because in TCS, if you join TCS, then you cannot join it again, right? You cannot rejoin TCS, and it is suggested that one should go to TCS, after increasing their CTC, because once you get some experience in Infosys, you can always come back to TCS, right? By making a switch later, and there you would come with a better CTC. You will get a good hike. From when somebody switch the company, obviously they get 40-50% hike, which is normal, and that would be better to come to join TCS, with a hiked salary compared to just 1.96. And in Infosys, I think they are more strict, and when it comes to learning, I think they also have a very rigid learning program, so that will help you. So I would recommend that, in my views, that you can take up Infosys offers as of now, and then come to TCS later with some experience. So that is a personal opinion. Nothing to disregard any particular role. Both are good, but if you since you have both, I think you can do this way. Somebody also is in the same dilemma. So I hope this will help you. Next, sir, I have got selected for TCS Smart Hiring and got offer letter on 11th June. First, sir, can I put counseling as I wanted to pursue MCA in distance alongside TCS Smart? Will I get any problem? Does TCS will be okay for it? The TCS will be okay. You do outside anything, any education you pursue, but if you are expecting they will give you a hike after that, so that will not happen because TCS will not consider that. Okay, next, I have submitted BGC form but yet not uploaded document yet, as didn't have the passport, consulate marks memo, etc. Should I wait for this document or proceed and submit with other document? You have to apply for passport, and the application receipt of the passport can be uploaded as of now. And then for consolidated marks memo, if you don't have it, that is fine. You can still upload the mark sheet. So only consolidated marks memo is something which you might not have, and it's perfectly fine. You can go and submit it whenever it will come. Whenever the BGC will be done by TCS, they will uh, upload it, from the back end, by after taking it from you. Next, should we submit or wait till the activation? No, you should submit it now so that it can go to the background check team pipeline. Next, I have address proof of permanent, but for present I don't have proof, as sir, many years I have been living in my grandparent house. What should I keep as a proof? This is something, if you are staying at your relatives' house, then you can make an affidavit that you are staying here with your grandparents, and the address of the same is this. Next, I have got also mark sheet, but they were so I have got also mark sheet. They were not sealed by my college with sign of principal. Is that okay? That's fine. Mark sheets are enough as long as they are internet copies. Then there's a problem. ओके नेक्स्ट, सर मेरे पास फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स सेम कोई ओरिजिनल मार्कशीट नहीं है क्योंकि मेरा रिसेंटली तो डिक्लेयर हो गया है. ओरिजिनल आने से पहले मेरी ज्वाइनिंग होगी. नो दैट्स ओके. इफ यू हैव दी internet copy also, that is fine. It's completely fine. This is completely normal. Many students have this kind of issue. So please tell smart graduate trainee is IT or non-IT, or also please tell the roles we get in smart. So in a smart candidate typically gets a support role in which you are basically a part of the infrastructure team, and then you are not the part of the coding team, you are not a part of the project, but you are a part of infrastructure team that helps into various infrastructure related uh, IT infrastructure related work that includes troubleshooting, working on internal applications. So that is maximum students get, but it is not like that. Once you get inside TCS, if you have some good skill, you can ask for another project as well after some time, if not initially. So that is very much possible. Next. So I received mail regarding TCS Smart Ignite, but no update. In next step, why? You receive mail regarding TCS Smart Ignite, what? What mail? And what is you that you are asking for update? So can I join other company even after accepting offer letter in TCS? Is it safe? You can join it. It is your choice what you want to join. But are you planning to join TCS after some time, or is it something that before the joining of TCS comes, you want to work for some other company, and whenever joining comes, you want to join TCS? So it depends. You can join either company. You are independent. But if you don't. If you want to join TCS later, then ensure that you take an proper exit by serving the notice period after leaving the current company and then join TCS, because it should not be like that you left the company without going there and join TCS, because that would be marks absconded. And then if you are thinking not that you are not happy with TCS offer and you want to join another company, then in that case it will be difficult for you to apply as a fresher again in TCS, because your status will be offered, and to get it reverted again to to apply, it is something that has to be done from the back end. So as a fresher it will be difficult for you to apply again in TCS, but experience hiring you can apply, because it is a different portal altogether, so there it is not a problem. Next, sir, my friend received the TCS joining survey but I haven't. Will this delay my joining? That is fine, it is okay. The joining survey is the readiness survey you're talking about. Some people get it, some people have not got it, but it should not be taken very seriously. It will not affect your joining. Whether your joining will come first or his joining will first come first, can't say. Okay. So that is something I cannot comment, but it is fine. From Delhi region, received an interview mail. Delhi people can only comment. Sir, tell me how to prepare for Ignite interview. If you can please make a video on that. So for Ignite, you should be very good at least one programming language. That is one. Secondly, you should be having an idea about latest IT technology, and then basic IT concepts like OOPS, some SQL queries, OOPS programming concepts, OOPS feature, something you should be very thorough. This is a very common questions which are asked in the interview. And if you have made any project in your uh, curriculum, then you can may highlight that project, and you can revise that, because if you have made an IT project, it will definitely put a good impression. Next, will training location and joining location be same for smart candidate? Yes, that's the case. Sir, if I have one arrear in sixth semester, can I attend the interview? I think one backlog is allowed, so you can attend the interview. You can inform to the recruitment team there. Next, sir, I received interview mail for Smart and Ignite hiring on June 14. My interview is on 11 July. Yeah, so all the best. Uh, Many students were asking when will be the interview scheduled for recent Ignite in Smart Hiring. So you can see some students are getting mail. So it is getting scheduled at all the locations. Some students have got interview invite for this week. Some have got it for next week. Next. Sir, you are discussing only Ignite and Smart Hiring, am I right? What about TCS? Day by day, my patience level is decreasing. I am feeling very low. My parents are really, so when I can expect. this week. So basically, this video is about Ignite and Smart Hiring, and we are answering the queries of students who have got Ignite and Smart Hiring offers. TCS inquiry results are not out; it is getting delayed, and I have been making different video about the results. So basically, results will come when all the interviews are done, and still the interviews for NQT is going on. So it can take some time, but most what I anticipate is it shall come by next week. Okay. So I can understand that how you are feeling, but we have no way but to wait. It takes this things takes time. Even you get the offer letter, the joining will take time. So it is processes like that. Maybe you can spend some time on learning new things. I think that is the best thing you can do to keep yourself busy, because I know it is really uh, difficult to wait for the result, but we have to go, with that only. Next, so when should I expect the thesis? Joining letter thesis part. I have got the offer letter. Then when should I expect the joining? See, joining usually comes in the month of July, August, September. So that is a typical time. So you can expect it most likely to be in August or September, but it can go further late as well. So nothing certain can be said about joining, but yes, it is something which comes mostly in August or September. Uh, Next, sir, I am selected for smart interviews. Any chance to Ignite offer if my interview goes well? No, they don't upgrade, but as Ignite student can get a smart offer otherwise, but the upgradation is not possible. Next, Ninja interview given on 27th May. Okay, still now update session. It is pending for all, so it's not something you are alone facing everybody. Next, so thank you for answering my question. Most welcome. I got the mail for the interview as well. I have two questions. First, I don't have all send mark sheets. Can I ask for the copy of provisional certificate from the college? But they're asking for all mark sheets, concern mark sheet, or should I bring? Okay. Second, regarding other card, mother can focus on childhood. You can be sure should I bring my passport? Passport as well. No, that's fine. Basically, to answer your first question, if you have got all your results, you can take a bona fide certificate also from your college, which says that you have completed either your course is completed and you have this much CGPA. Even if you don't get that, you can upload all the mark sheets or whatever you have and submit without provisional degree, because it might take some time. Regarding Aadhaar card photo, that's completely okay. Aadhaar card photos are usually not good for all. That should not create any problem. If somebody is in problem, they will connect with you and ask you for another ID proof. At that time, you can share if at all they have any problem. So you said on June 30 the result will get. Also, I said in this definitely. So basically, we are discussing with some of the team members in TCS and asking when the result will come. Everyone is suggesting something basis their experience, right? That it should come by then, it should come by then. But if it is getting delayed, then the obvious reason is that interview uh, are still pending for some regions. So once the interviews are done, then only the results can come, and that is why it is taking time. When all the interviews are done, we cannot say. We can only predict, right? And we are predicting simply. Nobody can say with certainty, that when will the result come. But yeah, most likely it should come by July next week, because that is what we think. Because all the interviews, pending interviews, are getting completed now. Okay, so that is the best thing we can uh, think about it as of now. All right, so we are done with all the comments. So let us know if you have any more queries, and do register for the LinkedIn workshop that I'm organizing. Okay, it will definitely help you. Okay, so thank you so much.